know the topic science is boon or curse. I will speak in favor of science is boon. I think the science is the best thing which is created by the human, and this is making our life easy and longer. So that's why I want to mention here that the medical advancement is also arrives in the science, because the X-ray and the when corona came in the world, that the science protect us from the corona, like the which is the name of vaccine, and X-ray thinks that broken legs or bones we can easily see by the science.
I am agree with you, but the science is a curse for the people, because of the science the corona came and destroyed the everything, and because of that many people suffering from the coronas, and many people die because of this disease, and this disease is a very dangerous. But you can see the symptoms of the coronavirus in upcoming generation, because which is a very dangerous for the humans, and you cannot say that the science is the best for the people, because the science first science create the problems, then give a solution.
But I also think that the science is also helps the students in the study, like the digital boards and education systems more powerful for the students. And when it comes to the difficult and toughest questions, the science makes is easy. It's easy because they give us the example the way we want to learn as well.
I agree with you, but sometimes you are not right, because when we see that most of the youths are addicted to using the mobile, and they only use the mobiles. We can see that they have glasses in the early ages, but in the ancient time we can see that no one used the glasses. But after the science, everyone uses glasses in the early age. It is happened only because of science.
When we talk about the modern India, then our India is a democratic country. So in the election time, the electronic voter machine are also coming in the India because of the science. So the voting is also become very easy, by which in the ancient time the ballot paper are used to cast the vote, and nowadays the EVM makes and not spend a lot of things.
I agree with you, but we can see that before 1 to 2 months, we can see that many people cast the fake votes. We can see that one home. We can see that many people are casting the fake vote. Like we can see that a person have only one name and he is casting 2 or 3 votes. In a house, 200 people are casting a vote from a single house, and we can see it is only happened because of science.
But according to me, when we talk about the ancient time, then the process will take a lot of time to present the result, because there are many papers which are poured in a bucket. Then the people have to open the paper and see the vote. Then it will take a long process, and nowadays the EVM make all work easy.
Yes, this is the biggest problem of that. You have seen that in the board exams, if we check the copies clearly, if we don't have a science, and if first they believe in the science, and sometimes suppose the machine is not good, but and a person get defeated because of one voting, and it which is happen in the EVM, because one mistake a person can defeated in the election, and because of the EVM.
But when we talk about the ancient time, then the paper, then the ballot paper, then the many trees are cutting for creating the paper. So the EVM also save all the trees because of the science.
The climate change we can talk about the curse of science. The climate change of the biggest effect. Then the is AC and the free release the many gases and that the car and any type vehicle and the pollution is spread in everywhere. Then affected the global warming. Then the previous year in the winter time don't come don't mind the cold tem- in the hot is the increasing in day by day which affected our health and our crop. That's why the science is occurs in this place.
True, but it also it also give a solution like EV vehicle and different type of we also create we also create revenue resource which like wind and solar energy which gives energy and do not pollute the environment. That's why science also give a solution. And if you talk about the AC and different types of the instruments which pollute our environment, then science also work on it and try to reduce as soon as.
I agree with you. If we talk about the WHO, World Health Organization, according to the World Health Organization, in the world, mostly 7 million people died every day because of the pollution which is spread by the science. So I think the science is a curse.
I agree with you, but that pollution is not spread by the science. That pollution is spread by the people who using the science. They use the science wrong way, and like if you have to go to if you have to go to 1 to 2 kilometer, so we use the bike and the car. So that's why the pollution are spread not by the science.
According to me, the
But
science
we-
is a curse because the science is made the polythene, and the polythene is so dangerous for everything, for our nature. Mostly you have seen that the people throw the polythene in the barren land, and the polythene make the earth land very barren, and we cannot that land is not usable if we use that, and the polythene is so dangerous. Because of that, the hungry animals eat them, and they got die because of the polythene. And because of the polythene, the nature is decreasing, damaging so fast.
Nowadays you also listen that big astronauts fall on the earth, then there are the many satellites who save from astronauts by the satellite. That's why it's satellite. If the satellite made because of science, that science is a boon for the every
I
person.
don't agree with you, because if anything is taking your life, then it is not good. First, science takes many people's life and then gives a solution, and because of it, many people have to lose their life. We can also see that after 2010, in our environment there is 2.6 billion carbon dioxide, but after 2010 we can see that its percentage increases so much. Its percentage now 26.8 billion. It is so high, and it is only happened because of science. Then we can say that science is a curse.
I agree with you, but when we talk about the invention of fire, then in the ancient time the people used to eat the raw meat of the animals, which affects their body badly, and it also decrease the animals' disease present on the earth. And from the moment invention of fire came, then the people get to know that we also can fire the meat and eat, and then there are all bad things which is present in the raw meat are died. So that is why the invention of fire are also came in everyone's life because of the science.
I don't agree with you, because when the fire is invented, then there is no science on the earth, and invention of the fire is not come because of science. It is unknowingly come in the earth, and according to some reports that in the 2030 800 million people have to lose their job because of science. because of automation, because of AI. AI will take place. AI will work in place of workers and labor. So 800 million workers have to lose their job because of science.
It doesn't like that because when AI comes and different types of the new technology come, then AI and different type of technology also create a new jobs like in the video sector and science computer science sector and provide most money. That's why it doesn't like that and we have to change with the time. Then we back of the from everyone.
I agree with you, when the in the modern time when the science is increasing day by day, then mostly the people misuse the technology, and because of misusing the technology, many people harass one people to another people in the online way, and sometimes the hacker hack someone's account and steal the the money of that person's account because of the science. So I think the science is a curse.
I agree with you, but that thing is happened because of the misusing. The people who misuse of the science, so that thing so when that thing is happened, and but according to me, if the science is not in the world, so we can't see the we can't know the we can't know the picture, we can't see the picture of the another planet, and we can't research on the another planet like the we can't search to another planet, and it is happened because of the science. If the science is not in the world, so we can't see and watch.
I agree.
According to me,
Because of science, we can see that because of science, many people have to lose their life. For example, one atomic bomb has power to kill 2 lakh people in one time, and the amount of atomic bomb in our Earth is 12,000. That is enough to kill our Earth for many times. So, because of science, our Earth is also in danger. We can see that the life of people is getting affected because of science. We can see that we are only able to eat the inorganic crops. Like chemical farming is only happening in everywhere because we need a huge production, and because of it in small time, and because of it we are using chemical farming. It is only possible because of science, and it is enough to kill many persons because in chemical fibers there are many chemicals, and it is affected our body.